Hey, I'm back with another scent review. This one will be short. We only have 2 scents to review, but it'll also be very different. Have off-camera wife here with me. There you go. These are a gift from my sister. Again, because they're a little bit out there. She thought I would like them. I'm just opening the box for the very first time. So what these are is, I guess some time ago, NASA made the scent of space to help train its astronauts to be used to what space is going to smell like. So this company, working with NASA, decided to re-release the scent so that anybody could buy the smell of space. But then they also added in the smell of the moon, based on conversations with astronauts that have been to the moon, what that smells like. And I have to assume that that was, you know, they were in their capsule and then went out and came back in covered in moon dust, and then what did that smell like? So what we're going to do is I will start with one of these. They're packaged in here, and not read the scent notes or anything yet, and see what we think of them. And I'm not going to tell off-camera wife which one it is that we're smelling first, to see if she can guess if she would think it would be. So these are well packaged, nice little samples though, but this nice really thick tape to keep it from leaking, which is awesome. To see if she can guess if this would be what space would smell like or what the moon would smell like. And they're supposed to be pretty original smells, one would say. Oh, I like that one actually. So my sister sent me notes that people had written about what they smell like. I think these were unadventurous people. I think they talked about them being awful. I get some smokiness with sweetness, like 2 totally different notes.
I think a marker.
Marker?
Marker scent, like the smell of like a marker.
Oh, kinda, yeah. Let me smell again. But not as harsh.
No.
There's some sweetness to it, right? That rounds it off. I would wear this. I get more smoke. Okay, so what do you think that is? Do you think that's the moon or that's space?
I think that's the moon.
That's the moon. Okay, let me set this here. Now so that, not bad, right? Could you see me wearing it?
If you came into the room and you were wearing it, I'd be like, eh.
All right, but so again, not the worstest scent, but you know, if anybody, funny video to watch. So there's a Scotch called the Froig that's a very peaty, very smoky, but also, and again, it's weird to say, has tasting notes of they say like Band-Aids or burnt moss or
Band-Aids.
Foul seawater, whatever. So there's this whole hour long video on YouTube of a comedian reading people's comments of this thing. Obviously people enjoy the taste of it, but those that don't or aren't used to it, it's pretty awful. So maybe these are the same way. So let's smell scent number 2. Oh, oof. Eesh. Okay. Jesus. Okay, that's filling the room. I'm glad we started with the other one first, because I don't know if I could smell anything. I get
Yeast.
I get it. I get the visual of a totally saturated diaper. Like it's so wet with urine.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this one will not be worn.
Ammonia.
Ammonia. Okay, so you thought the other one would be the moon, so you think this is what space smells like. So they're the opposite. Wait, smell of space. Wait, did we get it? Oh, see, they both say Eau de Space because that's the company. So you're right. The first one that would be wearable, that's kind of smoky and sweet, is the moon. And apparently, the smell of space is a fully laden urine diaper. So, okay, well, see if you can change it in your mind, because the smell of space is a rather pleasant metallic sensation. Like sweet-smelling welding fumes, burning metal, a distinct odor of ozone, an acrid smell, walnuts, and brake pads. I get that, like overheated metal. Gunpowder, fruit rum, and even burnt almond cake. NASA's Eau de Space will make you smell like space without leaving Earth. Burnt steaks, raspberries, and gunpowder might be this summer's hit fragrance.
I don't get that.
You can't get any of that? No. No. Okay. So they're wrong. I mean, like I said, from a distance, I could get overheated brake pads. But it is one of those smells that you get it stuck in your nose. And okay, so the moon, they spent most of their website talking about the smell of space. And it's actually kind of cool that they will, if you can prove that you're like a teacher of STEM or something like that, I think they send these out free to those classes. But the smell of the moon has been described as a unique smell that's hard to describe, like spent gunpowder, based on early accounts from Apollo astronauts. Eau de Luna, the smell of the moon is an authentic account of the lunar experience. So that's okay. And that would be very interesting. Very rarely, now I change the scent I wear every day, and very, very rarely does anybody comment on it, so it probably wouldn't happen, but that would be quite the conversation start if you're wearing the smell of the moon, and people, oh, what is that? Well, it's actually developed by it. But the smell of space, nobody's gonna get near enough to you to talk to you if you.
It's gonna be like, do you need to go change your pants?
Okay, all right. There we go. Thank you for joining us for another scent review. See you next time.